Remitly is a trusted platform for fast, secure, and affordable international transfers. If you're looking to send money back home, Remitly Money Transfer to India offers a simple process and various delivery options to meet your needs. Whether you're supporting family or managing financial commitments, Remitly ensures your funds reach safely and on time. How much time does Remitly take to send money to India? The transfer speed depends on the chosen delivery method. Express transfer, funded through a debit or credit card, ensures near instant delivery, typically within minutes. Economy transfer, funded through a bank account, is more cost-effective and usually takes 3 to 5 business days to reach Indian bank accounts. While Remitly in India supports transfers to major banks like SBI, HDFC, ICICI, and Axis, timings may vary based on the recipient's bank and the time of the transfer. Remitly provides real-time tracking so you're never left guessing. Here's how you can track your transfer. Log into your Remitly account, either via the app or website at www.remitly.com. Then, go to the Transfer History section. Select the transfer you want to track, and you'll see the status, like in progress, delivered, or pending. You'll also receive SMS and email notifications throughout the process. Oh, and the recipient can also be notified once the funds are credited, which is super convenient. Key benefits of using Remitly to send money to India include competitive exchange rates, low to zero transfer fees, especially on higher transfer amounts, and 24/7 customer support. You also have the option to send money directly to a bank account, UPI, or even for cash pickup. Pretty awesome, right? Whether you're using the app or desktop version, Remitly Send Money to India services are built for speed and ease of use. Oh, and here's something cool. First-time users often enjoy promotional rates and fee waivers. That's definitely worth checking out. For the latest updates on processing time and to calculate your exchange rate and fee, visit the link in the description box. With features that prioritize transparency and reliability, Remitly Money Transfer to India has truly become a go-to choice for millions around the world.